Good. All right. Hey, my name is Scott Lau with ScreenBeam, and I'm the Director of Product Management and Support. And we're here with ScreenBeam Signage Player. We deliver the Signage Plus in the administrative tools, which deliver the Alert Plus and also the Signage Plus and Message Manager. So, with the ScreenBeam ecosystem, you can connect this to the CMS and connect to our cloud-based service offering and deliver signage. And in this setup, we have the signage in the multiple zone, including the widgets that you can customize, including the weather widgets or the calendar and the signage. And in addition to that, we have the message manager that you can send message to anywhere, any screen that you have. So come visit us at screenbeam.com, and yeah, have a good day. Thank you. I don't know how.